Welcome back to Primetime News. Special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. A 48-hour curfew has been imposed in Gregory Park, St. Catherine. This following the killing of a man by gunmen who went on a rampage this morning. 47 people, including 27 children, are also now homeless after their houses were set ablaze in the incident. The details in this report.
Debris scattered at 44 Walkers Avenue in Gregory Park, St. Catherine Saturday morning. This after armed thugs entered the community minutes after 3. Some 11 houses in the area were set ablaze, leaving 47 people, including 27 children, homeless.
From about 12 minutes shut off fire, you know. But I now come out of my house. And when I did them after 3 minutes, I came and said, I walk one in the lane. So I don't know nothing, I don't know nothing.
Information received by the police so far is that a number of criminals entered the Walkers Avenue area and threw what we believe to be gasoline in bottles and lit the area. One adult female was injured in the fire and she's now being treated at hospital. No other injuries reported from the fire in the Walkers Avenue area. Whilst the criminals were exiting the community, they fired several shots. One man was shot and injured. He was taken to the Spanish Town Hospital where he was pronounced dead.
The dead man has been identified as 28-year-old taxi operator Ranil Horton of Gregory Park. Teams from the Waterford and Spanish Town fire departments extinguished the blaze. The police suspect the incident is gang-related as several members continue to occupy the Gregory Park space.
You're not going to change. You have to move for yourself. Because all people when they do nothing, it affects. So in a sense, can't stay here, so. Innocent people, house burned down, you know.
Gregory Park, since last year, August, is like every August is a fire. Every last August was the same thing. This August is the same thing. I don't know what is the cause of all of this.
The security forces have since increased their presence in the area.
And we hope to prevent this mayhem from continuing. We are appealing to persons to contact the police should they have any information treating with this matter or any suspicious or criminal activities in the area. Our investigations will be thorough as we pursue these criminals, and the police will not relent until they are caught and brought to justice.
Meanwhile, there's an appeal for help for the persons affected by the fire. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.